Okay everyone, so we've had a look at tone, haven't we? Graduated tone. We've also done some work on texture and mark making with our pencils. Now let's talk a little bit about colour. So what I want you to get into your head, I suppose, and to understand is that the way we use a coloured pencil is exactly the same as how we use a 2B pencil. So if I take this blue, I'm going to start to apply it. I'm holding it in the same way and I'm applying it in exactly the same way as I would my normal graphite pencil. If I want my blue to be darker, I can overlay it to create that darker tone and then reduce the number of layers to get those lighter tones and to get that nice tonal depth. And what we need to understand about colour is it's not about colouring in, okay? It's about applying colour tonally. So whatever drawing we've done, whatever we're applying our colour to, it will be different tones depending on where the light is coming from and where the shadows are. So we still need to apply our colour tonally. The big difference, however, is that we can mix our colours. So if I put my blue down and take up my yellow, for instance, I can start to overlay this over the top. And you might have already anticipated this, but what it's going to create is a secondary colour. So taking my primary colours, my blue and my yellow, overlaying them on top of one another to create a secondary colour, in this case green. Now, where I want my green to be darker, I also use more layers of both colours, but it's the blue that's really going to make it the darkest. So I can put more blue on if I want it to be darker still. Usually when you're overlaying colours, one layer of each isn't enough, and so you'll already notice, if I do this again, that I've already applied at least 2 layers of each colour to get that nice consistent feel. And of course I can do exactly the same thing with my red and my yellow to create an orange, and indeed my blue and my red to make a purple. So that's something you're going to have a go at as well.